guys, welcome to Top Best India. Let's go to the topic.
India is known as land of festivals. Out of many festivals observed on Indian soil, Navaratri is one of the most spectacular celebrations honored primarily by the community of Hindus. During the Navaratri days, Goddess Durga is worshipped and invoked in its 9 forms. Navadurga symbolizes 9 forms Adishakti Goddess Durga. Every manifestation of Ma Durga signifies power, strength, bravery, knowledge, beauty, grace, and auspiciousness. For 9 days, these Navaratri avatars of Durga Ma are worshipped. Number 1. Shailaputri Devi. Among the Navaratri 9 days, the first day is of Shailaputri Devi. The meaning of Shailaputri means the daughter of the mountain. She is also acknowledged by the names like Sati, Bhavani, Parvati, and Hemavati. She is the absolute embodiment of power of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahadev. Goddess Shailaputri is represented with a crescent moon on the forehead, trident in right, and lotus in the left hand. She rides on Nandi bull. Number 2. Brahmacharni Devi. The second day is of Devi Brahmacharni. She is the Ma of austerity and penance, as her name Brahmacharni represents the female who practices Brahmacharya. She walks on barefoot, carrying a Japamala in her right hand and Kamandala in her left hand. She endows her devotees with grace, blissfulness, peace, and prosperity. Number 3. Chandraghanta Devi. The third day of Navaratri goddess is Chandraghanta Devi. This goddess is also known for spiritual and internal power. People who have unnecessary enemies and face obstacles in life must worship Chandraghanta Devi to set themselves free. Parvati Devi, who is the wife of the Almighty Lord Shiva after marriage, he adorned the goddess's forehead with a Chandra made from Chandan. This is the reason due to which she is also known as Chandraghanta. She holds a lotus, arrow, dhanush, Japamala, and keeps her 5th right hand in Abhaya Mudra.
Hey guys, while we are doing the countdown, I would like to share the effort our team has put in making this video. Please encourage us by hitting the like button. If you haven't already done, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get updates every time we release a video.
Number 4. Kushmanda Devi. Devi Kushmanda possesses the power to live inside the blazing sun, hence the name Kushmanda. Her name means creator of the universe, for she is the one who brought light to the dark cosmos. Like other forms of Goddess Durga, Kushmanda has 8 limbs in which she holds weapons, glitter, a rosary, and other holy objects, therefore also known as Ashtabhuja Devi. Her one hand is always in the Abhaya Mudra from she blesses all her followers. She rides on a tiger. Number 5. Skandamata Devi. The 5th day of Navaratri is for Skandamata, mother of the war god Skanda. When goddess Parvati became the mother of Lord Kartikeya, she came to be known as Skandamata. She rides on a ferocious lion and carries Skanda, which is baby, in her lap. It is believed that she was chosen as the chief of war against demons. Therefore, she is also recognized as goddess of fire. The goddess is depicted with 4 hands, lotus flowers in her upper 2 hands, one hand in Abhaya Mudra, and other hand she carries Skanda. She is often pictured seated on a lotus flower and is referred to as Padmasani. Number 6. Katyayani Devi. The 6th form of Ma Durga is goddess Katyayani, and she is also adored as Mahalakshmi. Katyayani was born to destroy bull demon Mahisashura. Goddess Katyayani Devi characteristics include anger and ultimate victory over demons. Hindus believe that she can bestow a sense of calm and inner peace upon all who worship her. Like Kushmanda Devi, Katyayani rides a lion, ready to all times to confront evil. Number 7. Kalaratri Devi. The seventh form of Navadurga is known as Goddess Kalaratri. She is considered to be the most ferocious avatar of Navadurga with a dark complexion, furious soul, and fearless posture. She is known for destroying ignorance and removing darkness from the universe. Her big red eyes, sticking out red blood tongue, and saber on hand makes her the goddess of death. She is well known by the names of Kali Mata and Kalaratri. Goddess Kali is depicted as a destructive form of goddess. She can be seen riding a dark black donkey. She has 4 hands, right hand in Abhaya Mudra and Vardara Mudra, and sword and iron hook in the left hands. Number 8. Mahagauri Devi. Mahagauri Devi is worshipped on the 8th day of Navaratri. The name, which means extremely white, and regarded as the most graceful form among the Navadurga forms. She is known to be the goddess of purity, cleanliness, endurance, and peace. Her worshippers' flaws and mistakes are burnt to ashes. Mahagauri has 4 arms. She keeps her right hand in the pose of alleviating suffering and trident in the lower right hand. According to Hindu mythology, Goddess Mahagauri has the power to fulfill all the desires of her devotees. The person who worships the Goddess Mahagauri gets relief from all the sufferings in life. Number 9. Siddhidarthi Devi. The 9th form of Navadurga is known as Goddess Siddhidarthi. She is the original form of Ma Parvati. Her name means giver of supernatural power, and Hindus believe she gives blessings upon all devotees of the faith. She has 4 hands and carries a trident, a spinning disc called Sudarshana Chakra, a conch shell, and a lotus. Goddess Siddhidarthi possesses natural healing powers. She sits in a blissfully happy pose. Lord Shiva was blessed by Siddhidarthi Devi by being given by all the 8 powers. Each night of Navaratri is a celebration of the Mother Goddess's manifestations. Hindus believe that worshipping Ma Durga with sufficient religious fervor will lift the divine spirit and fill them with renewed happiness.
If you like this video, please like the video, share with your friends and comment me in the comment section. And last, please subscribe to our channel. You can get crazy topics.